Can we see last seen on WhatsApp even if it is hidden? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if we can see last seen on WhatsApp even if it is hidden or not. So first thing is make sure your last seen is turned off. So first of all, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp and you can head over the three dot and open up the settings from WhatsApp. After that, from settings, you need to head over to privacy, and when you head over there, make sure this option is turned on, because if you have not turned this on, you cannot view other people's last seen. So when you head over there, and if a person has hidden their WhatsApp status, and if you want to view their WhatsApp status in WhatsApp, unfortunately you can't see someone's last seen on messaging app like WhatsApp when they have hidden it. However, there are third-party applications that allows you to do it, but it's better to not use those kind of third-party applications. So the only relevant way is texting that message, texting message to those people. And when you do that, if they respond quickly, that means that person is online, and that's how you basically know if the status of that person in WhatsApp. So for now, this is the method you can apply up if you want to view the last seen on WhatsApp, even if it is hidden. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.